Printing has a long and rich history. From early woodblocks to the invention of the printing press, the desire to reproduce text and images has always been strong. Offset printing, a method that revolutionized the printing industry, emerged in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. This method, building upon earlier lithographic techniques, quickly gained popularity. Why was it so revolutionary? Offset printing offered a way to produce high-quality prints at high speeds, transforming the printing landscape forever. Early offset presses were primarily used for printing newspapers and books. These early machines were often massive, requiring skilled operators to manage the complex process. However, the ability to produce consistent, high-quality prints made the challenges worthwhile. Offset printing quickly became the dominant method for mass production. As technology advanced, so too did offset printing. Offset printing is based on a simple principle: oil and water don't mix. This fundamental concept is at the heart of the process, allowing for the precise transfer of ink to paper. First, an image is created on a printing plate. This plate has both image and non-image areas. The image areas attract ink, while the non-image areas attract a water-based solution. When the plate is inked, the oily ink adheres only to the image areas. Next, the image is transferred or offset from the plate to a rubber blanket. This intermediate step ensures even ink distribution and preserves the detail of the image. Finally, the image is transferred from the rubber blanket to the paper, resulting in a crisp, clean print. Offset printing relies on a variety of specialized materials and machines. One of the most important components is the printing plate. These plates are typically made of thin aluminum sheets treated with a light-sensitive coating. The image is burned onto the plate using a photographic process, creating the areas that will attract ink. Another key element is the system of rollers that distribute ink and water. These rollers ensure that the ink and water solutions are applied evenly and in the correct amounts. Finally, the heart of the operation is the offset printing press itself. These presses come in various sizes and configurations, from small sheet-fed presses used for brochures and stationery, to massive web-fed presses capable of printing thousands of pages per minute. The journey of an image in offset printing is a fascinating process. It begins with the creation of a digital design. This design is then used to create a film or plate which is mounted on the printing press. The press itself is a marvel of engineering, with a series of rollers and cylinders working in perfect synchronization. As the paper travels through the press, it passes between the inked plate cylinder and the rubber blanket cylinder. The image is transferred to the blanket and then to the paper, creating a mirror image of the original design. The printed sheets are then passed through a drying system to ensure that the ink is completely dry before further handling or finishing. Section 5. Offset advantages: quality and efficiency combined. Offset printing offers several advantages over other printing methods, making it a popular choice for a wide range of applications. One of the most significant advantages is its ability to produce high-quality prints. Offset printing is known for its sharp text, vibrant colors, and smooth gradients. This is due in part to the use of the rubber blanket, which ensures even ink transfer and allows for printing on a variety of paper types. Another major advantage is its efficiency for large print runs. Once the plates are made and the press is set up, offset printing can produce thousands of identical prints quickly and cost-effectively. This makes it an ideal solution for high-volume projects such as books, magazines, and packaging. Section 6. Offset disadvantages: limitations to consider. While offset printing offers numerous advantages, it's essential to consider its limitations. One of the main drawbacks is the initial setup cost. Creating the plates and preparing the press for printing can be expensive, especially for short runs. This makes offset printing less cost-effective for small batch or personalized printing projects. Another limitation is the lack of flexibility in design changes. Once the plates are made, making alterations to the design can be time-consuming and costly. This makes offset printing less suitable for projects that require frequent design updates or variable data printing. Section 7. Step-by-step: the offset printing process. The offset printing process involves several distinct steps, each crucial for achieving high-quality results. First, the project begins with design and pre-press. This stage includes creating the artwork, selecting the appropriate fonts and colors, and preparing the digital files for printing. Next comes the plate making process. The image is transferred onto printing plates using a high-resolution image setter. These plates are then carefully mounted on the printing press. The press is then set up with the chosen paper stock, inks, and other materials. Skilled technicians calibrate the press to ensure accurate color reproduction and consistent ink coverage. Once everything is in place, the actual printing process can begin. The paper is fed through the press, and the image is transferred from the plates to the paper via the rubber blanket. Section 8. Modern advancements, enhancing the legacy. Despite its long history, offset printing is not standing still. Recent technological advancements have led to improvements in quality, efficiency, and sustainability. One significant development is the introduction of computer-to-plate or CTP technology. CTP eliminates the need for film in the plate-making process, resulting in faster turnaround times, improved accuracy, and reduced environmental impact. Another notable advancement is the development of new ink formulations and drying systems. UV curable inks, for example, dry instantly when exposed to ultraviolet light, eliminating the need for lengthy drying times and reducing the risk of smudging or offsetting. These advancements have made offset printing even more versatile and efficient. Section 9. The future of offset printing, still going strong. While digital printing has gained popularity for its flexibility and short-run capabilities, offset printing remains a dominant force in the printing industry. Its ability to produce high-quality prints at high speeds, combined with its cost-effectiveness for large print runs, ensures its continued relevance in the foreseeable future. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see further advancements in offset printing, further enhancing its capabilities and solidifying its place as a cornerstone of the printing world.